Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Unboxing. On today's episode, I am going to be taking a look at the new quad lock motorcycle USB charger, as well as the motorcycle vibration dampener. And the motorcycle charger has been around for a while, so this may not be a new item to you, but this right here is something new. Some of the new phones, iPhones specifically that I know of, the way their camera does image stabilization, it messes up when there's too much vibration, which motorcycle obviously provides. So my phone did not have this issue for the longest time until recently. So this is actually a very timely piece that I'm excited to try out from Quad Lock. I'm going to install this on my motorcycle. My concern with this is that it's good because right now I have a bicycle mount on my bike, on my motorcycle. So it's like the tiny small one. I wish I had one to show you. So at this point, this is the mount that I have on my bike. And that's how I mount my phone. And I'm trying to figure out if I can adapt this to go on top with this on top of that, or vice versa. Perhaps this will go on top of this, one way or another. We'll see. So this is the dampener. So let's remove it from the plastic. It's a little rubber grommets here, squishy little bits. So curious to see how it will operate. And then you get your little Allen key, which is adorable. So we'll set this aside and unbox the USB charger. So there we go. So in here we got some stickers and some instructions. Very nice. Oh, here it shows how to mount it. I wonder if these actually show how to mount that, so that way we know what is the order. So here we go. Let's unbox this, and this is just on the bolt here. Okay, so at this point, this is the connection that it comes with. And at this point, I have this plug on my bike. So I'm actually, instead of running this to the battery, which I could do for a cleaner setup, I think I'm gonna utilize this and just tuck in the cable somewhere, because this is how I pump up the tires on my bike. So I'm gonna stay with this connection. All right, now we're getting deep, because I wonder if this will require me to use a different mount than that. So I also have a motorcycle mount here. This motorcycle unboxing is getting kind of extra deep. So let me put everything to the sides to make sure we don't get confused here. So let's see what the motorcycle mount looks like. Cool, cool, cool. So this is what we can do. I can put this down as the base. Then I would put this down here. The issue is I need a longer bolt. All right, so now I can tighten the vibration dampener on. Okay. There we go. Nice and tight. Good. From there, I would attach the USB charger. Best way would be to go like this, I would imagine. Cool. And then the last piece will be this. Man, I really am gonna miss my little tiny setup here. And I need a black lever. I need a black lever here. Here we go. Now we remove the holder piece and pop out this bolt. And then we take the longer piece that they gave us, boom, and put it through Is this crooked? Yes, it's all crooked. Is this straight? Yes, this is straight. So now I can tighten the whole apparatus. Now this now is a monstrosity. I will be the first to admit. So this goes on the bike. I don't know. We'll see. Let's give it a shot. But it does look tricky. I mean, compare the profile. This is what it used to be like. And that is what it is like now. Extension arm we don't need. So we'll take some of these. Make sure we dial in the fit. And let's go down to the bike and install this. Make sure it all fits perfectly. I'm sure it will. I'm just in need of a black lever. Let's check it out. First foremost, we gotta cut off the old one. Nice. That's our old piece. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm actually going to remove this. Just like so. And I'm going to remove this. So that way I can put this on properly. There we go. Now we can loosen these like a normal person. We'll give this a shot. You know, why not? Oh my God, we're out of control. So, this is the rubber piece that it came with. So how are we looking? It's a little loose. So let's see. There's two other pieces. Let's see which one is better. I believe this is the medium. This is the smallest. So we'll do the smallest. I believe that's the size. Yep, that's the size. So these we can just set aside. Next we take our bottom piece. Can I even fit it under there? Yes. There we go. Ooh, it's kind of tight with the rubber piece on there. All right, so like that. Then we plop this on top. Okay. Now we sandwich it. Pretty good, pretty good. Get it nice and tight on there, right in the middle. Make sure that it's in the middle or it's gonna bug you the whole time. There we go. Just like that, in the middle. All right, now we tighten it. I don't know how tight you really need it, but that seems incredibly tight. And then we have our USB piece. Hide the cable. We'll do that. Fantastic. So next we take our actual mount and put it on top of here. I really hope this setup is not going to be too tall as far as it goes. Boom. Next, I'm actually just gonna go under here, under the bar, because I feel like that's gonna be more out of the way at the end of the day, just like so. And this is the final product. So now I got my little USB port right here. I can easily run a tiny little cable and charge my phone, and I can get rid of this ugly thing right here, which served me long enough. And I zip tied the cables right there, tucked this cable over here, so the way when I do need to use my pump, it's all easily accessible. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.